Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. I really hope that you stick around and subscribe for more. So look, the other day I was just browsing the web as one normally does late at night when you're bored, and one way or another I ended up buying all of these things. So today I'm gonna show you. So let's go ahead and jump right in. Like I said, we're gonna jump right in. So today I got things from Boohoo, Forever21, and NastyGal. Now I actually do not know the prices of any of these things off the top of my head, but all the details and things will be listed down below in the description box. So if you want to check them out, if you want to buy any of these items, everything will be listed down below. So yeah, let's go ahead and jump right into the things that I got from Boohoo. I actually only got two different things. The first one being this sort of cropped dressy top. It's so pretty. It's cinched in the middle. It has this sort of sweetheart neckline. It has like half puffy sleeves, and then more toward your wrist they kind of slim down and have this like tying situation. I am not great at explaining the details of clothing, but you guys are going to be able to see it on me so you can see what I'm talking about. So yeah, I really like this top. They have it in black, as you guys can see, and I believe they also have it in white, and I got mine in a size 4. Then I got me these booties, which, oh my god guys, I am literally obsessed with them. I have been trying to buy these for such a long time, but every time I try to get them, they're literally sold out because I literally have the most basic shoe size you can have as a woman in America. Okay, that was a bit dramatic, but you know what I mean. But yeah, they're this sort of corduroy material in this camel color, and I love that the lines of the material are all going different directions, so it kind of gives it a little bit of character. I don't know guys, I am just so obsessed with these booties. The first item that I got from Forever21 is actually this super girly skirt, and the reason why I got it is because I keep seeing bloggers on Instagram just wearing these types of skirts with t-shirts or sweaters and sneakers, and they make it look so casual and girly and just so cute, and I obviously needed to test that out for myself. So when I saw this skirt, I was like, yes, this is literally perfect. So as you can see, it's like a navy blue, almost black with pink and reddish flowery patterns. It's cinched in some areas. It's cinched in both in the front and back, and then at the bottom it kind of like flares out, but it just looks so cute, and I am just so excited to style this for fall. And by the way, I got this in a size small. Up next, I got me this sweater, which is literally just like the perfect bubblegum pink shade, and it's one of those that's like has that like cutout situation that shows like part of your shoulder. I've seen a lot of these types of sweaters on Revolve, but they're literally so freaking expensive. So when I saw this, I was like, oh my god, yes, I am taking 2. Literally, I literally bought 2 by accident. So yeah, but anyways, I got mine in a size small, and it's like that ribbed material, and it's just gonna be so cute for the fall to add just a tad bit of color. So yeah. Then I also got me this other cutout ribbed material sweater. This is a different type of cutout. It's in this like camel color, which is literally perfect for the fall season. And the material of this one is actually a little thicker than the pink one, but it's just as stretchy and soft and cute. And I am just so excited to wear it this fall. Then I got me this very basic white button-up. I felt like I needed one because I needed one that was less like workwear and more like casual Sunday. I don't know why I said Sunday. I don't know, but you know what I mean. So this is like super lightweight. It's more of that like baggy style fit, and I love the buttons of this one. It just makes it look a lot more casual and less workwear. Also, I know it's white, and they say that you're not supposed to wear white after Labor Day, but literally, who cares? If you believe that rule and follow it. Last but not least, as far as the clothing items that I got from Forever21, is this beautiful dusty pink bodysuit. So it's like a scoop neck. It kind of has like puffy shoulders almost, kind of, but the center part of the bodysuit, it's like that stretchy ribbed material, and then the sleeves are more of a like lightweight sort of material. And then at the bottom of the sleeves, it cinches in and it just looks so pretty. And also, oh my god, I appreciate so much that it's a thong and that it has the clasps, because there's literally nothing worse than ordering a bodysuit from an online store, getting it, opening up the package, and finding out that it's like the brief cut, which is like, just why? Also, when they don't have the clasp at the bottom, like, oh my god. But yeah, I got this in a size small and it's super cute and I am so excited to wear this. And the last thing that I got from Forever 21 are these beautiful suede nude booties. They're pointy, they have the chunky heel, and oh my god, I'm just obsessed with them and I am so excited to wear them. And I got them in a size 6. By the way, if I forget to tell you guys the sizes of any of these things throughout this video, like I said, just check the description box because everything is going to be down there. Now on to the things that I got from NastyGal. So the first one is this beautiful gingham blouse that like cinches in the middle, flares out, has these beautiful sort of like flared out sleeves, and then it has this situation in the front where you can like tie a knot or a bow, whatever, and it's this sort of like burnt orange or burgundy shade. It's just so pretty, and it's gonna be perfect for fall time. Obviously, this is a fall haul. What am I saying? I don't know. Then I also got me this beautiful pink flowery set, and I got it in a size US 2. So the top is cropped, it cinches in at the bottom, so do the sleeves, which fall right above your elbows, and it has this V cut situation in the front. And then the bottoms is just a skirt, which very much looks like the one that I just showed you guys from Forever 21. Super girly, super flowy. I am just so excited to wear this. And honestly, this set, you can wear it as a set, you can make it look like a dress, or you can style both items separately in many different ways. So then I got me this other skirt, which is like safari inspired almost. It looks like it to me at least. And it's this like a dark camel color. It has this beautiful like pockets on the side with these buttons, and then the front has like a sort of belt situation. But it's just so cute, and I feel like this is gonna look really good with sneakers, so I'm definitely super excited to wear this and style it in different ways. And I got me this pink nudish bodysuit, which is like ruched on the sides, and then the sleeves kind of look like this. They're different on both sides. And then, like I said, it is a bodysuit, which does have a thong bottom and has the clasps, which, like I said, I really appreciate that. So I am so excited to style this because you can for sure dress this up and it's gonna look so cute. And then I got me this burnt orange cropped ribbed sweater, which is so cute. Actually, it's like it goes kind of almost off the shoulder, and it has this crossing situation in the front. But this is just so pretty, and I'm just so excited to style this. And I got this in a size small medium, and also the ribbed material of this one is even thicker than that camel sweater that I showed you guys from Forever 21. Last but not least, as far as the clothing items that I got from NastyGal, are these beautiful dressy plaid checkered pants. I don't know what kind of print this is, but you know when you see it, like this print literally just screams fall to me, and they are just so cute and pretty. You can definitely dress them up or dress them down, do whatever you want. I have already worn these. I got them in a size US 2. They look so good, and honestly, if you don't like pants that are more like looser around the leg area, then these are not going to be for you. But I love them, and I think they look so cute, and there's just so many ways that you can style these. And lastly, I actually got me a couple of accessories, which is definitely different for me because I am not a big accessories person, but I am trying to be, just because I feel like it really can change an outfit if you just add just a couple of accessories. So I am trying my best, guys. But anyways, the first one is this beautiful like purse, I guess. It's nude and then it has these beads. I don't know, guys. It's just so cute. I've already worn it. You can wear it like this, or you can hold it like a clutch situation. The only thing that I don't like about this is that it's literally just opened like this. So there's no security as far as like the stuff that you're putting in there. So your wallet, your phone, your keys can literally fall out at any second in time if you're not careful with this purse. But it's still super cute and it looks cute for a photo, guys. So yeah. And then I also got me this other mini bag. So it has these clear beads going up at the top. It's this olive green color, and when you open it up, it does have a clasp, so you can secure your things in there and not worry about them falling out like the other one that I just showed you. But it's super cute and I am so excited to wear this fall. And then last but not least, I got me this pearl beaded headband, which I literally see every blogger on Instagram wear these, and I'm like, I want one. Is it gonna look cute on me? Am I gonna look like a princess, or am I gonna look like a potato? I am still trying to figure that out, but so far I like it and I love the color of it, and I just feel like you can really change an outfit with this headband. So also it really reminds me of Blair Waldorf. So that pretty much wraps up this video. I really hope that you guys enjoyed it. Let me know down in the comments, what are your favorite stores to shop at, so it can give me some ideas on places where I can go spend money that I probably should not be spending, but it's okay. It's all fine. It's fine. And I hope that this video gave you some outfit ideas for this fall and maybe some inspiration and motivation to jump right into this fall season. So yeah, if you like this video, give me a big old thumbs up and do not forget to subscribe because it's free and it's a fun time. So until next time, bye guys.